Hello mga ka-Fishing Town, this is Cinder James Esplana, 24 years old, currently based here sa Papua New Guinea. So nag-start ako mag-fishing when I was 14 years old, pero hindi pa ako ganun talaga focus sa fishing. Around 2019, doon ako nag-start mag-lure fishing talaga, and then 2020, I started working with Fishing Villa, and then I worked with them for 3 years, and that is where I develop most of my skills, and doon na rin ako natuto ng mga about sa fishing gears. Then 2024 na-recruit ako dito sa PNG to work with Sport Fishing Papua New Guinea, and then dito na rin ako nag-focus sa big game, GT popping, yellowfin tuna popping, jigging, and then yung river fishing for Papuan black bass, barramundi. So, dito na ako masyado talaga nakapag-focus sa fishing. And then, fishing method, marami akong nasubukan, to be honest. Nag-start ako from light game hanggang makarating ako ng big game. And sa mga fishing method, edging, short jigging, vertical jigging for blue water. And then, rin ako bait caster, yung mga ginagamit ko na tackles. And then, big game, which is yung ginagawa ko na dito. And then, rin ako, fly fishing, which is isa sa mga pinakagusto ko talaga. So, reason bakit ako nag-fishing. So, unang-una, this is my job now. Since dito na ako nagtrabaho sa Sport Fishing Papua New Guinea. Ito na yung profession ko ngayon. And then, syempre, for peace of mind, and for relaxation na din. And, sa fishing, marami kang makikilala. Kaya yung mga gusto mag-fishing, ang payo ko lang sa inyo, try nyo lang. And then, as soon as sinubukan nyo na, try to learn as much as possible. And huwag kayo mahihiya magtanong dun sa mga nauna or dun sa mga may experience. Kasi ang fishing, marami kang makikilalang tao. And then, ang fishing is a sport that is constantly evolving. So, walang angler na pwede magsabi na, alam ko na yan lahat. It's a never-ending learning story. So, once you start, try to learn as much as possible and huwag ka mahihiyang magtanong. Ang fishing, napakasayang sport. So, one of the reasons bakit ako nag-fishing is for peace of mind nga. And then, syempre, pag nakahuli ka ng gusto mong isda, and then yung talagang dream fish mo, or fish of a lifetime for them, and then you have a good photo with it, serves as a bragging right. And then, alam mo na, para kang celebrity sa angling community pag meron kang nahuli na talagang dream fish. So, yun lang guys. Thank you.